crafters. Welcome in to Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is Merry Christmas. I hope you all have had an amazing Christmas morning. I hope some of you were able to join us for our holiday quilting bee, and I hope that Santa brought you something special this year. So, guys, I appreciate the fact that you have given me a little bit of your Christmas day, that you have tuned in to see what Lynn over at Soft Squares has brought us for the final day of our 25 days of countdown to Christmas. Lynn has brought a lot of different things for me. Some things have just been great. Some other things have been okay. I have no idea at this point what I'm doing as far as renewing, if I'm going to do this box again in 2026. I know she'll be posting soon, offering us payment plans and all that to get in line with the box. This box was over $300. She does value it at $600 plus retail. So we'll see. But I did get a cute Santa bag for day 25. And it says day 25 on there. On here, it does say Merry Christmas. And it is tied and ready to go. So guys, I have had to wait over 25 days, right? Because this box arrived probably early November. So I've had to wait a long time to get to my final gift. And I am anxious to see what she has put in here. I have not been over to her channel. I always go to her channel after I unbox because I like to give you my surprised and unbiased opinion before we see what she has done for us. So with that said, oh, she has provided us a Riley Blake kit. So I definitely know all about Riley Blake. We have purchased a lot of her kits in the past. And let's see which one she has put together for us. Right. So this one is Evening Star. It is a tabletopper. It finishes out 50.5 by 50.5, designed by RBD Designers, which is Riley Blake Designers, right? So it is all in those earth tones, kind of is what I'm going to tell you. It's called Modern Prairie Finds Its Muse in the cherished series Little House on the Prairie, and our co-founder, Melissa Gilbert, known fondly as Laura Ingalls Wilder. I had no idea. So I do like this. You know, it's funny because normally these things don't necessarily resonate with me, but I have to say I really kind of like these colors. She says Melissa Gilbert is the designer behind Modern Prairie. The table runner uses her most recent line, and it is beautiful. So let's jump in and open the box and see what those fabrics look like. So I have to say, I don't mind this. So this is in the gold tones. Look at the gold sunflowers in this one. And she values this box at $77, and she's probably just dead on. We have a Valentine's box that we just got from Riley Blake, and I think it's on our on sale at our store for $78. I mean, that's the suggested retail. So I really do like these colors. I would not have bought this necessarily, and probably would have walked by and looked at it, but I really do like this. This is different, and I can tell you, I love this, which I believe is the border fabric. So I really do like this. This is completely different. It's called the Evening Star Table Topper. It does come with a quilt pattern and how to put all this together. So you will see me working on this at some point. Not sure when, because as you can imagine, I have a lot of projects already in the hopper. But I think Lynn did a great job finishing out. And the fact that this is a done by Laura Ingalls, right? Melissa Gilbert. I think a lot of us grew up kind of watching it. I will say I was not a huge Little House on the Prairie fan, but I do remember Melissa Gilbert. I do remember watching it. Also remember the dad that was in that show, who was pretty handsome, best I remember. So overall, I am really happy with this. I think Lynn did a great job finishing out and giving us a cool gift on Christmas morning. So guys, I hope that you all have had a great Christmas day. I hope it continues to go that way for you. I do hope that Santa put the right thing under the tree for you this year, in that Christmas is here. It's just a little sad always for me. It seems like we do a lot of build up to get to Christmas Day, but I'm focusing on the day itself and enjoying it. And then tomorrow we'll think about how long it is until we get back to that day again. But I hope things are exciting for you. I hope that you've gotten some cool projects or project ideas from all the things that have been presented by me and other content creators. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.